Hey, how's it going? Another tool that we have for outreach is SMS messaging. We have Twilio integrated, and with Twilio, there's a lot of apps that you could integrate into your workflow to do outreach. But one of the things you want to do is start sending text messages to your customers, just alerts. We kind of have that built in. So you could do outreach to new customers or existing customers, whether it's a happy birthday text message or just saying that we could give you an extra $10 bonus on your phone today to everybody in your database. You could do that with SMS messaging. It's a well-known fact that text messages are read faster than emails are. I think the open rate on a text message is 83%. So if you want to reach your customers at a new channel, SMS marketing is a thing that we integrate into this website, and we work with Twilio. So check that out, integrate that into your workflow, and start reaching out to more customers today. This is how you will get to it in your admin panel. You will go to your general settings and this SMS settings, and you will integrate these API keys that you get from Twilio. We'll show you how to do that in the next video.